Namaste and welcome to our Alpha Mind Power channel. Today I am going to talk about DNA activation, which is the main theme of our upcoming class Amrita Siddhi. In this class we activate our DNA with meditation. It may sound a little bit strange to some people, but it is possible. Many people have asked the question whether it is possible to activate the DNA, and the answer is yes. What science takes many years to prove, to research, and then to tell the public, and then to actually be able to do it, it happens more easily in the spiritual world, because we always say spirituality begins where science ends, because science raises a lot of questions, whereas when we do it spiritually, we do it with a lot of belief, faith, and a lot of positive energy, very higher energies also, and we see the result. When the DNA gets activated, a lot of things happen within us, a lot of things change within us. First of all, what is the DNA? DNA is the one which carries the inputs which tell us who we are, our own blueprint, and it comes from our ancestors. So we have, when we say ancestors, it's a huge tree. There would have been so many generations before us. We may know only our father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, but before that also so many people are there. And it is a lot of inputs which come from all of them genetically, which we carry. And we carry it in our DNA. And the DNA, it is there in every cell of our body. It is our blueprint. And the master DNA is carried by the pineal gland. That is the gland which harbors the master DNA. So when we do the meditation, we activate this gland and the DNA with the proper command, of course. And in meditation, in deep meditation, when we do it, it really happens. You can feel the energy, the whole different energy going through your body. And after that, what is more important is the result that you see when you keep practicing this meditation. And in our Amrita Siddhi class, that is the main thing that we do. But we take all the precautions necessary before we really activate the DNA, because when we say we carry inputs, genetic inputs from our ancestors, all of them may not be good. Some of our ancestors might have also done wrong things, wrong behavior, and maybe emotions, anger, hatred. They must have carried so many of those also, and then diseases also. So those are also there within us. The seed of everything is there within us. We don't want to activate all that. So in this class, we first remove all those inputs. We get rid of all the negativities in a very powerful manner. And once all the negativities are released, then we activate the DNA. And the DNA, which is there in 23 pairs of chromosomes in our cells, we activate it by activating the pineal gland. And throughout the body, you feel the activation. But the main thing is what happens after the activation. Many people have this doubt. They say, does it really work? Does it do anything for us? And I have been teaching this for more than 15 years or maybe 20 years also. And we have seen a lot of result. What people come back and tell me, that is what I'm going to share with you here today. One thing which is very outstanding is the talents, the hidden talents that come out after DNA activation. Because our ancestors would have had so many good talents. Forget the bad things, the good things also. All of them are not activated for us in this life. Certain things might be activated, certain things may be lying dormant, because the DNA is carried in 23 pairs of chromosomes and all of them are not activated for anybody in this life. But when we activate the DNA, then all these 23 pairs of chromosomes, whatever is there, whatever they are carrying, also gets activated. And the result, the practical result, more than the theory, the practical results that we have seen is hidden talents start coming out. And I'll give you an example. Once, the very first time I did Amrita Siddhi in Chennai, the first class, and then after about 30 days, maybe a month, I called the same group just to find out how they felt, what was the result, did they feel any change within themselves. And many of them gave very beautiful answers, beautiful replies. One gentleman said, he was around 43, 44 at that time. So he said, I have never sung in my life. I have never thought of singing. It never came to me. I never learned, so I didn't do it. But he said, after this class, I suddenly found myself wanting to sing. That desire was there. I really wanted to sing out loud and clear. But I was hesitating because I had never learned any music. So he said, I started learning Carnatic music. And he says, now I'm so happy. Once I started that, he says, every day I sit and learn and I sing. I really feel very happy. I never knew I had this talent within me. So that way, hidden talents start coming out. And if you allow them to bloom, then it's going to be wonderful. That was one very good feedback. Of course, there are a lot of people who have told us different things. I'm only telling you a few here. Then many of the women, what they said is, even people who were just homemakers, they were not working, they were at home. They said, I could feel a distinct change in my energy level. They said earlier, once husband goes to work, children go to school and all that, I start doing my housework, and by the time it is 12 o'clock, I will be totally tired, and then I wouldn't even feel like doing anything. There would be no enthusiasm in my mind. First of all, that is the most important thing. The mind gives up. Mind says, I've done too much work, I just want to sit down. But they said, now after this class, I don't feel like that. I'm able to go on till the end of the day without any lack of energy or enthusiasm. I feel myself, great, very energetic, and over and above everything. When we activate the pineal gland, I give it with a command which says activate all the 23 pairs of chromosomes, particularly the one which carries youth and vitality, because that is what we all want. When we say youth, what we really mean is, it's not about becoming very young, going back to our teenage. It's not that. What we really mean is, when we are young, our health is better. We are more active. Our thinking is very good. As we age, we see that these things do decline. Definitely, all of us know that. So after a particular age, what happens is, perception becomes different, the body doesn't cooperate, energy level is less, all that happens. So when we activate the DNA with the command of activating the youth and vitality, then the energy level becomes very good, both mentally and physically. Mentally, because as you age, the way you think of anything becomes different. When there are 3-4 things to do, the mind doesn't cooperate, you don't feel like doing so much, and you say, let me do only one thing today, the rest we will see tomorrow. That's how any elderly person will think. A young person may not think like that. But after this class, once you start practicing, people have told me that the way I'm thinking is so different. I'm so enthusiastic about everything. I'm able to just do whatever I feel like doing. That hesitation has gone completely, and the body is cooperating. That is what you must note. The body is also cooperating. It's not just the mind energy. Mind energy is very good, but the physical body is also cooperating, which is great. So when that happens, then you know that youth and vitality is once again getting activated within you. And what more do we want? We all want to be healthy. We want to be energetic. We want to be youthful till the last moment of this life. And our Amrita Siddhi meditation gives you a very deep level of meditation. It's a very powerful meditation where we activate the DNA in the body, and that audio is given to you so you can listen to it anytime you want, every day. Or I don't advise every day, because the meditation is so powerful that once you do the meditation, you will feel like remaining in a meditative state for a very long time. So I tell people it's not very practical, so do it once in a week. That is more than enough. And people enjoy it so much. They come back and tell me, I'm so addicted to Amrita Siddhi meditation. I'm really enjoying it so much. It is indeed a very, very beautiful meditation. And the feedback that we have seen is, a person's life totally changes. In the sense, what is most important? Forget all the problems, situations that we face. If your body enjoys good health and your mind enjoys good energy and you feel youthful, then any problem can be handled easily. But if the body has many ailments, does not cooperate, and the mind is becoming very slow, doesn't want to do anything, then even small problems become very difficult to manage. You cannot even look at something and say, okay, I can do it. You start thinking so many times whether you can do it. When that changes, what more do we want in life? So Amrita Siddhi is a beautiful class, And I also introduce Goddess Kuan Yin in this class, which is another very beautiful concept. So you need to be there in the class and understand that energy, feel that energy, and then you will really start enjoying the meditation. So I invite you to join our online class, Amrita Siddhi, which is coming up very soon. Details are there in the description. Do join us and enjoy this energy.